Now, I come to because just now I have been asked to unveil this stone. So it gives me great joy to address this gathering after laying the foundation stone for the conservation project at this historic site at Kodungallur, which is known to be the first mosque in India and the oldest in the subcontinent. I am honestly admitting it, that since I came to know, I had to come to this area to attend the wedding of the daughter of our agriculture minister. And I had visited Mr. Saeed, is an old friend from Aligarh, and I think in the second week after I took my oath, I took charge as governor, he had invited me to come and visit this place. So it was part of that program. But I must thank the Honorable Finance Minister, the Mussoorie project, when they came to know, or even without knowing, they asked me to lay the foundation stone for the conservation of this project, this mosque. And since I received this invitation and I thought about it, I felt like I'm traveling back into history. The very thought that you are being asked to lay down, when Mr. Benny Kuriakose came to Raj Bhavan, and the PowerPoint presentation he shared with me, I was enthralled, totally engrossed. He had come, he had sought time for 10, 15, 20 minutes, but we spent more than 2 hours together. This project, I find, is of great significance, great importance. And since that day, I am feeling as if they have invited me to travel back into the history, and I started imagining how a noble king from Kerala travels to Arabia, to Makkah, spends time there, and then decides to come back with the intention to build this mosque, and he passes away on the way back, and then those who are coming with him, they complete the journey and they fulfill his last wish. All of us who are present there are actually, all of us can imagine this and feel the importance of the event, in which it's a good fortune that we all are participants in this event. So this is no ordinary event. The project is carried out as part of the Mussoorie Heritage Project, which is a laudable effort on the part of Department of Tourism, Government of Kerala, to conserve important heritage sites in the state. The town of Kodungallur and this ancient mosque form an integral part of Mussoorie's heritage project. I would therefore highly commend the efforts of the Tourism Department, of the Kerala government, which sees great potential in the preservation of heritage sites for the whole world to see. As we all know, conserving and showcasing a culture that existed centuries ago is what this heritage project is all about, and reminds us of a wise saying: the farther back you can look, the farther back you can look, the farther forward you can see. The project makes us aware that even 2500 years ago, Kerala had established itself as a major center for spice, with the ancient port of Muzaris as its hub, attracting the Greeks, Romans, Arabs, and the rest of the world. Please excuse me for that. But I am trying my best that even if I am not able to speak, at least I will be able to understand what you say to me within next few months. I'm doing my best for that. But I would like to conclude with 3 sentences in Malayalam. Ella matvum onnanu. Mata tinte laksham manushante nan mayanu. Ningalakku nanma nerunne. Loka samasta sukhino bhavantu. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.